Is it doing anything? Alright, so what we're going to do, I just want to show you real quick how we can do this on our MyMathLab. The first thing I want you to realize is that we have this click to enlarge feature right here, which I always do that because of the little guy I can't see. And what tool we're going to use is this parabola tool where it's opening upward. So you grab that and you plot your vertex first. So notice that we have x squared minus 7. What's that minus 7 on the outside going to do to our vertex? Go down 7, okay? So what I do is I take my little hand and I hover over where 0, 0 would normally be, and I go down 7. And if you have a hard time counting, notice in the upper right corner in yellow, they have your point. So see how I have 0, 7, and I click that. And when I first click it, it looks like it's a line, but notice when I move left or right, it automatically does the rest of the parabola for you. So all we have to do is plot one more point, okay? So do you notice in front of x squared, it's just a 1. It's your parent function. So we're just going to go over 1, up 1, and plot it. Is that okay? So I'm going to hit save, and you get excited, and you hit check answer, and it gives you a red X. You're like, what did I do wrong? Well, I didn't do all that they asked me to do. It says, sketch the graph of the quadratic function and the axis of symmetry. So after you graph your function, grab the line tool, so click the line tool, and then click the dash, okay? And then we're just going to go like that, and it plots the dashed line. If you click the dashed line before you grab the line tool, it'll make your parabola dash, okay? So do your parabola, click it, grab the line, and then grab that, and then now we have it perfect. And so we'll hit check answer, and it'll say well done, and then it'll have two parts. What's your vertex? So since we just went down, our vertex is just 0, -7, okay? And then what's your axis of symmetry? Like I said, be careful because you can't just put 0. It says type an equation, so you must put x equals 0. Remember, axis of symmetry just goes right down. Is that okay? Let me go pick one that has like a lot going on. No, I want more. I want more. Give me a hard one. Okay, this is everything. All right, so I'm going to hit click for graph. All right, so the first thing I want to focus on is where my vertex is, all right? So my vertex is based on these shifts. This -3 on the inside is shifting it to the right 3. The -5 on the outside is shifting it down 5. So I'm going to pick my parabola tool, and I'm going to go to the right 3 and down 5. So I need to be at +3, -5, and notice that's kind of what it says, so you click it. Am I going to open up or down? Down because of the negative, okay? And normally I want to go negative over 1, down 5 1/4. If you put that in your calculator, it's 1 in 1 corner, and you can't, right? So you notice I can do 5 1/2, and I can do 6. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plot the incorrect dot, and I think this is the only one you have to do now. I'm going to plot the incorrect dot, and then right here, I can edit that coordinate, okay? So notice when I clicked on it, I can edit the coordinate. So really, I just want to go down 1 point, so that would be going down to -6 1/4. So I want to go to -6 1/4. And I would just put that in my calculator. So you can type -6 1/4, and there he is. Okay? I think he's the only one that you have to edit, because otherwise if it's just down 3, you just go down 3 and you click it. Alright, what I still need to do is my axis of symmetry, so I'm going to hit my line, and then my dash, and just go to my vertex and just go up or down. It doesn't matter, and you hit save. So that should be the right answer, and again, it's just going to ask you your vertex. I went to the right 3, so I'm at 3, and I went down 5, so I'm at -5. And then remember, your axis of symmetry just follows your x value of your vertex, so that's just x equals 3. Okay, so he's the one that's the hardest, because that's the one that has everything going on. Otherwise, you're just like this. Well, that's just a stretch of 7. So your vertex is just at 0, 0, and then you go over 1, up 7, and you're done. Okay? So work on that and over the week, so let me know if you have any questions.